Ever tried breaking up ground beef with a flimsy spatula? Me too, and it was a total kitchen disaster, honestly. Chunks everywhere, uneven cooking, and my arm was so tired. I'd spent forever just trying to get meat evenly browned. Potatoes? Forget it. Mashing them was always a sticky mess. And don't even get me started on cleaning up afterwards. One night I scrolled through late-night kitchen gadget videos. Suddenly this Amazon meat chopper popped up in my feed. It looked so cool, sleek, sturdy, and super easy to use. People were raving about how it changed their cooking game. I checked the reviews. Thousands of happy home cooks loved it. What really caught my eye? The heat-resistant ergonomic design. No more worrying about melting plastic or burnt hands ever again. Plus, it's totally safe for nonstick pans, no scratches at all. The 5-blade head? Absolute genius for fast, even chopping. I ordered mine with Amazon Prime and free 2-day shipping, yes please. First time using it, I tossed ground beef into my skillet. The chopper glided through meat like butter, no effort needed. Every chunk broke up perfectly. No more annoying clumps anywhere. Even my potatoes mashed smoother and faster than ever before. Clean up? Just a quick rinse and it's ready for next time. No more scraping stuck food off spatulas or wooden spoons. My tacos, burgers, and shepherd's pie come out so much better. I even used it for mixing sauces and stirring batters easily. It's become my go-to tool for every meal prep session. I love that it's BPA-free and totally odorless after cooking. No weird smells or flavors left on my utensils anymore. It's tough enough for daily use, but gentle on cookware. My friends noticed how much faster I finished dinner lately. They all wanted to know my secret kitchen weapon instantly. I showed them the chopper. Now they're obsessed like me. Honestly, I don't know how I survived without this tool. It saves time, energy, and makes every meal so much easier. If you love cooking but hate the hassle, you need this. Imagine prepping dinner in half the time every single night. No more wrist pain, no more unevenly cooked ground meat. Your kitchen will feel instantly upgraded. Trust me on this. It's perfect for home cooks, meat lovers, and gadget fans. Even pro chefs would appreciate how efficient this tool is. It works on beef, turkey, chicken, potatoes, and more. I even used it to crush tomatoes for homemade pasta sauce. And it's dishwasher-safe, so cleanup takes literally seconds. No extra gadgets cluttering up your kitchen drawers anymore. One tool, so many uses, and zero hassle or stress. If you want a smoother, easier cooking experience, look here. Don't let old utensils slow you down or ruin your meals. Upgrade to this meat chopper and see the difference instantly. Ready to take your cooking to the next level today? Why struggle with basic tools when better options exist now? What's stopping you from making your life easier right now? Imagine impressing your friends with perfectly cooked dinners. Wouldn't you love to save time and energy every night? This isn't just hype, it's a total kitchen game changer. So are you ready to smash your kitchen struggles away? Click the link, grab yours, and join the chopper revolution. Don't wait, these sell out fast. Upgrade your kitchen today. Before it sells out again, hit that link in the description and check it out.